Hi, my name is Pete Gordon. I'm from Critical Systems in Columbus, Ohio, and I am very excited to share our submission for the Practice Fusion Health 2.0 Challenge. Three of us in Columbus worked on this, Rob, Kevin, and myself, in our spare time over a 5-week period. And we did two things. One, we hacked in a Scali scale we bought off Amazon for $45 and hacked it so that we could reverse engineer the LCD screen and send that information up to Patient Fusion through our PC. And second, we created a Health Vault web application that synchronizes between Patient Fusion and Microsoft Health Vault. About 400,000 people a year are diagnosed with CHF, congestive heart failure, and being able to share the daily weight with their physician can potentially save them, save our healthcare system a very expensive hospital visit. So let me go ahead and show you our Scali scale that I've got running in the background here. It's a Windows application, and when I come over and tap on the scale, we'll start to see the values that are actually appearing on the scale. I'll go ahead and step on the scale, and you guys will see how much weight I need to lose. Um, and there it is, searching for the scale. Just like on the scale, it's fluctuating back and forth, trying to get a value and finally realize what it is. There it is. I put on a couple pounds. It finally gets the value and sets it. And the Windows application is going to listen for the weight change until finally it discovers that weight. And a few seconds later, it's going to ship that weight out. Boom, successfully sent up to Patient Fusion at 10:21 a.m. So now we're going to go back to the web. And we're going to go into our Patient Fusion login and go ahead and log in and see the weight that was sent up just now, and go to My Data, and there we go on 10:04 at 2:21 Universal Time, 191.8 pounds was sent up from the Scali scale. So that is our hack for the Scali scale sent up and to Patient Fusion. So now we're going to come back into Patient Fusion Sync. We're going to go into our Patient Fusion Sync application. And this is synchronizing, again, between Patient Fusion and Microsoft Health Vault. So the first question is, now we want to send a sync command so that in the background it's running. This is something we can do in a cron or a background process. Once we release this to production, it's hitting Health Vault test site, which we'll log into in just a minute also to see it. So it's going to sync Patient Fusion and Health Vault, and there it finishes. And now if we go into Health Vault, we can scroll down to the bottom here and just go directly to our Health Vault account. And there we are, logging in to Health Vault to see, hey, did the weight get up here? Is it here? And under our health information, under the weight measurement, we will see, boom, 10:04, 10:21 a.m., 191.8 pounds. So that shows the synchronous a Scali scale hack, and then sending the data up to Patient Fusion, and then our web-based synchronization of Patient Fusion and Microsoft Health Vault. Lastly, I'll just hold up this MicroLife blood pressure monitor. This integrates directly in with Microsoft Health Vault now. It costs about $60 on Amazon, and you can buy that and use Microsoft's Connection Center to send the data up to Connection Center, and then use Patient Fusion Sync to synchronize between Health Vault and then go back to Patient Fusion. So that was our submission, and I thank you so much for your time. We're hoping to have it production ready. It is out on the web now, hitting the test servers. You can see it at pfsync.critsys.com. We should have it up there production for Health Vault by the end of the year.